आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
I have seen Pakistani community in England marginalized in Manchester, areas of Manchester and in Birmingham, and we have seen radicals coming out of these communities, and we have seen the same process in Europe because of Islamophobia. So I just want to take this opportunity to address this issue. The biggest damage done to Muslims is that after 9/11, terrorism was associated with Islam. So Islamic terrorism, Islamic radicals. And constantly these words were used by leaders of Western countries, explaining that, 9/11 terrorists and any acts of terror that took place after that. The moment you use the word Islamic radicals, it means that there is something in Islam that produces radicals. That it's because of Islam they are being radicals. That terrorism is associated with Islam. And especially suicide bombing. Because regularly we heard these commentators saying that, Muslims are indulging in suicide attacks because they will have virgins in heavens. This sort of nonsense kept going on. Just a brief, anyone who knows about history, desperate human beings throughout history have committed what are called suicide attacks. Before 9/11, 75% of suicide attacks were by Tamil Tigers, who were Hindus. No one talked about Hinduism having anything to do with that, with the suicide attacks. And we have watched so many films of the Japanese suicide attacks on American ships at the end of Second World War. No one blamed their religion. Because religion has nothing to do with, no religion has anything to do with terrorism. Almost all terrorism is connected to politics. It's political perceived injustices that produces desperate people. But constantly, and even now, we keep hearing about radical Islam. There is only one Islam, the Islam of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which we follow. There is no other Islam. In human communities, majority are moderates, they are liberals, and on one side they are fanatics, everywhere. What about the white supremacists who walk into and kill 49 worshippers in New Zealand? What has that got to do with religion?